હલો નમસ્તે વેલકમ એન્ડ ગુજરાતી સમાજ બર્લિન તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરે છે આ નવરાત્રિ બર્લિન 2021.
નવરાત્રિ એટલે શું? નવરાત્રિ એટલે 9 રાતની એક season છે. It's a season of 9 nights which is signified by a long battle that was fought by Ma Durga against the demons, and this lasted for 9 days, and every day is a different day where of a different color, where Lord Durga Ma is worshipped in its different forms. If you go to see all across India, Navratri is celebrated everywhere. For example, if you go to the place in the south like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, the last 3 days are signified by the Durga Puja, and the last 3 days are the most important days considered for all the worships they do towards the Ma Durga. If you go to the east, in West Bengal, Durgashtami is one of the very most popular festivals in the whole of east of India. If you go to the north, again Durga Puja. And talking about the west, well, that's Garba, Gujarati. And this is our Gujarati Samaj Berlin. And we have organized exactly the same event of Garba, Ras, after 2 years, having suffered from the COVID pandemic and so on, that all the restrictions and everything that we were in, now with all the due precautions and safety measures, we have been trying, and now that I can say we have been successful in organizing this event so that our all the people that we have from India, and not just limited to Gujarat, that can participate in this Garba and Ras event of 2021 organized by the Gujarati Samaj Berlin community.
Guys, he is Mr. Siddharth. He is in the organizing committee of Gujarati Samaj Berlin. How do you manage to organize such a large event with, I guess, almost 350 people? And I heard from Mitul that last year it was 700 people. So how do you manage to organize such a large event, and since when are you organizing?
So first of all, I must say, I am not the organizer, the sole organizer. So we have a team of almost 10 to 12 people with different names. I can give you them. But yeah, just to keep it short right now, we have 10 to 12 people in our organizing committee who have held hands together to make this event a manageable and a successful event. Well, you are right. In 2019, we had organized a similar event, and we had planned for 300 because we didn't know there were so many people in Berlin who were interested in Navratri, and we got a turnaround of people, total of 700. We had to order food twice. But respecting all the safety regulations and everything that we have right now in Berlin, and that we have to abide by a certain number of people only to allow them to play, we organized this only for limited members, 350 approximately, including kids and organizing committee members and everyone. So also to give people a chance in the limited space that they can play freely. I should apologize to the people who haven't been able to make up to this event because of the limited number.
During our live session, there were so many people commenting that next time please organize it in a big hall so everybody can participate. Yes.
No, certainly. I completely, and to all the viewers and to all our beloved Gujarati Samaj, I wouldn't say members, but who love us, we love you as well very much. We are deeply honored that you love us so much, and you are feeling sad that we couldn't arrange it for you, and the same is for us. We are sad as well that we couldn't do this for you. However, it's, let's say, we have to balance about what our government out here we live in tells us, and also keep our people happy. So, but definitely I do take your point, and I do say that yes, next time whenever we organize, we plan to organize for more days. We plan to organize for a bigger space, and when we know better and when we are completely away after the pandemic and everything is over, when we are 100% safe, I don't think so there will be any restrictions. I don't think so there will be any restrictions for the passes for you as well, which we had to unfortunately this time. So please stay with us, I would say, and please accept our apologies if at all you weren't able to make it to the event. And to all the viewers of course from your side, thank you very much for all the love that you have given us, and please keep loving us, and we love you as well, and we'll continue to serve you like this.
Great. And just one last question which I forgot to answer, since when are you organizing?
Oh yes, that's right. So we started organizing all this from 2019, where we were fresh. We we didn't know the response we were going to be getting, and we organized in a small space. So it's 2019 that we have started. 2020, unfortunately, we did plan for Chaitri Navratri in 2020, but it's exactly the time where all the lockdown started. So the plans couldn't work out. But yes, looking into the future, we do think that we can do better, and we can keep more people happy, and we can keep organizing such events.
Great. So thank you so much, Mr. Siddharth, for this wonderful insight about Gujarati Samaj Berlin. Thank you so much for tuning it to New to Germany channel. And if you are new on this channel, then please consider subscribing the channel and also download New to app from Google Play Store and Apple Store. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care and stay safe.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Palak.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा